an Arduino Nano, an LDR sensor, a DHT22 sensor, a rainfall sensor, a I2C LCD display, and a breadboard. I can turn this tiny pile of components into a working Arduino Nano weather station. For turning it into a working weather station, at first we have to take the Arduino Nano and connect it to the breadboard. Next, you have to take the DHT22 sensor and plug it on the breadboard. Next, you have to take an LDR sensor and plug it on your breadboard. Now, we have the only sensor left, the rainfall sensor. So, you have to connect these to the breadboard. Now, you have to take 4 male to female jumper wires and 9 male to male jumper wires. Then, you have to plug the GND and 5 volt pins into the breadboard's GND and 5 volt pins. Now, here I have connected the white pin to the 5 volt of the Arduino Nano and the grey pin to the GND of the Arduino Nano. Now, I have taken these wires of colors black, grey and white. I will be plugging the black wire into the GND wire of the DHT22 sensor, white pin to the out or signal wire of the DHT22 sensor, and grey one to the positive or VCC pin of the DHT22 sensor. Black goes to GND and grey goes to VCC. The white or signal wire will be going to the D2 pin of the Arduino Nano. Now, the LDR sensor is only left to connect. For connecting, we will be taking 3 jumper wires of male to male of colors purple, blue and green. The green pin will be going to the VCC of the LDR sensor and the blue pin will be going to the GND of the LDR sensor. Now, the purple one will be connected to the analog output pin and the analog output pin will be going to analog pin number 0. Now the next sensor left is the rainfall sensor. We will be again taking 3 male to male jumper wires of colors yellow, orange and red. The yellow color jumper wire will be going to the VCC of the Raindrop sensor and the orange one will be going to the GND of the sensor. The red color will be going to analog output pin of the sensor. The red pin or the jumper wire of the rainfall sensor will be going to Arduino Nano's analog pin number 1. Now the connection of the sensors is done and we have just the LCD display. Now we will be opening PictoBlox and using the C++ environment we will be uploading a program given in the description of the video. As it is connected, so we will be going to the board option and choose the Arduino Nano option, and from the current drop down or option we will be choosing the COM port. In my case it is COM11 and I will be clicking on connect and it is connected now. Then I will be clicking on this upload code button. Then it will be building and it is now uploading in progress. And now it is reading and then writing and uploading process is now success mode. Very important thing to tell you before that in the program line 11 here is DHT11 and we are using a DHT22 sensor, so we will be editing it to DHT11 to DHT22 and upload it. Now the programming process is completely done, and if I decrease the light, then you can see it will display. At first it will be displaying welcome to Anna's projects weather station, and then it will be loading for some seconds and it will show degrees, Like here it is 28.30 and humidity is 79.20. Thereafter sometimes it will be displaying daytime, like now it is night, and rainfall is clear, means no rainfall. If you give water on the rainfall sensor, it will be display rain. So like this it works, and thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.